Deepak. Good evening to all of you students. So, welcome to this very important session on a very popular request to all the faculties. An Academy have organized this particular session with all of you, for all of you students. I think many students are still joining. You want me to keep in English, Hindi both? Mix? Will that be fine? English? Students, English will be fine. Yeah, English सही होगा students. English. Okay, so English and Hindi, English and Hindi both. I'll just use both, okay? So that both the audience can be served because this is an important session. So accordingly, I'll just try to ensure that the entire sessions are being introduced. Students, can you tell me one thing, just one thing? How many of you are, just while you're typing this, how many of you are paper 6C? Just paper 6C. Quickly, just give a thumbs up so that I will come to know. Only thumbs up, only thumbs up, only thumbs up will be sufficient. Paper 6C. Thumbs up for paper 6C students. That much is sufficient. Thumbs up for paper 6C, I will know the count. I would know the count. Only 6C, only 6C. International taxation, the elective part. Okay. So around 21 students are there. 22 students are there for 6C. 22. So those who are there for 6C, at the end I will devote 10 minutes with all of you. This is a 45-minute session. 10 minutes exclusively I will devote for 6C students so that they are also being taken care of. Okay. Now since many students are still joining, काफी students जितेंद्र भी join कर रहे हैं, तो एक काम करते हैं, एक जल्दी से मैं बता रहा हूँ students, there is one batch which is going on, अभ्यास batch. एक batch चल रहा है अभ्यास batch. This batch students is in Hindi as well as in English. तो एक तो हिंदी में यहाँ पे महेश गौड़ सर के साथ बैच है, which I am taking in English, but Mahesh Gaur sir is taking in Hindi, and there is English with Tarun Raj sir. So that way, students, anyone of your friends who will be interested to this 1 month intensive hai, more focus students is on the practical only. The entire focus of this batch is practical itself. I can still see many students are still joining. So Abhyas batch, anyone wants to join from now also they can join, because any case this is something that we are going to start with the topic on non-resident taxation, international taxation. So you please use the code CADS to get it 10% off on your this thing, so that your net price would be 2,700. That is the net price for DT, IDT, everything. Okay. Siddesh is already joining, so they are primarily beneficiary of this particular batch. So batch is excellent. That is the review. The review is in front of all the students who are there presently. Indeed, students, it will be beneficial. That is what I can say. Duration is how much? 1 month. You have to only enroll for 1 month. Duration is 75 hours. That's it. 75 hours. You only have to enroll for 1 month subscription. You can take IDT. You can see DT, IDT, as well as you can see your other particular subjects as well. Okay. Fine, students. Let's start now. I think all of you have joined. Let's start. Yes, Pawan. Let's start, students. चालू करते हैं. With this now, here the suspense gets unfolded, students. Suspense unfold हो चुका है students आपके लिए. Okay. By the way, just tell me, students, how many of you just have watched the cricket match? Cricket match खेल के कौन यहाँ पे directly आ रहे हैं? अब देखो thumbs up करना, thumbs up भी कर दो, काफी वो है यहाँ पे. Fine, students. See, these are the bit of breaks and all in between. It is fine, primarily, but students, in fact, I can still say watching cricket match is still fine rather than being in social media and all. Are you getting this one? ठीक है ना? So ऐसा नहीं कि हमने match नहीं देखा था. In our times also we have seen those kind of matches and all. But being in this thing is better as compared to being in social media, WhatsApp and this Facebook and the other chatting channel and all. That is destructive. That is destructive. Okay. Fine, students. Yeah, it was a T20 match. That is it. I'm actually not well, so I could, in fact, just to feel better, I was seeing that. Anyway, students, let's start now. This is a 90 days program. ये 90 days का students पूरा schedule है. This is a 90-day schedule, students, which we have prepared. पूरा 90 दिन का schedule है students, ठीक है? So how you are supposed to conduct here? Please, I have given the entire important area. पूरा important area मैंने students दे दिया है. For every topic I have given the important area. What has to be covered? But students, at the same time, I want you to understand the reality. एक reality students आप उससे रूबरू हो जाए. You would have noticed, I will just discount Jan 21 attempt. Jan 21 attempt को छोड़ दो students. Just discount Jan 21 attempt. Avinash, you let me know towards the end. I'll just see what to be done. मुझे end में बताना Avinash, ठीक है? End में मुझे बताना, मैं देखता हूँ. Discount Jan 21 attempt primarily, but you will find all the attempt. Be it November 20, please pay attention students. November 20, कोई भी attempt ले लो ना, आप जब से होस्ट संभाले रहेंगे आपने, तभी से देख लो. DT paper, everyone, two things. It was very tricky and very lengthy. These are two things. Very tricky and very lengthy. ये चीज हमेशा है, and sometimes very tough also. Very tough also. Student, direct tax, I'm telling you one thing. You think of doing 5 times, 6 times. अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं 6 बार रिवाइज करूं, 7 बार रिवाइज करूं, इसमें रिवीजन ज्यादा क्रिटिकल नहीं है प्राइमरी, इसमें एप्लीकेशन बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिकल है. DT is more about application. You have a better. अभी मैं कल ही हम लोग कल बात कर रहे थे स्टूडेंट्स. We were just discussing about this one yesterday. One session मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. Penalty. Just a simple example, students. We have done 270A. We have done 271 AAB. But 270A की penalty ना under reporting. The penalty for under reporting that we all know is in section 270A. Then there is other penalty of 271 AAB. Then there is another penalty of 271 AAC. ठीक है? Yesterday one MCQ was there. कल हमने एक MCQ किया था MTP2 में, wherein they were saying in which case there are two penalties that can be imposed in a given situation. दो penalty किस situation में एक साथ लग सकती है. अब आप सोचो, now your mind will really start thinking, because you never have studied in this particular way, that in which case two penalties at the same time can be imposed. We have studied 270A, we have studied 271, all the penalty individually we have studied, that cash loan, 269 SS default, 269 T default, all that one by one we were looking into it. सब चीज देखा ना अपन ने, लेकिन how they are targeting in the examination, in which case two penalties are applied together. That's the game. Yes, Siddesh. That is also yesterday we were looking into the other particular aspect. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. अब यहाँ पे ना students backfoot में आते हैं. This is where the students come in backfoot. Because these are the bouncers of the ICI, wherein the students really find themselves in discomfort, irrespective of, they would have studied 10 times 270A, they would have studied 10 times 269 SS, 269 T. 10 बार पढ़ने के बावजूद भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आप नहीं अटेम्प्ट कर पाते हो. You cannot attempt this kind of a question, students. You have to believe on this particular reality. So therefore, I'm telling you, so these 90 days are very crucial days for all of you. Very crucial days for all of you. Now, I have got plans for two type of students. Yes, Prashanti, Neha, very much. I have got a plan for two types of students. दो type के students को मैं bifurcate करूंगा in this entire session now. In this session, I'm going to bifurcate between two type of students. Number one, those students who have studied DT once. जिससे DT एक बार पढ़ लिया है, कभी भी तो पढ़ा होगा. Sometimes they would have studied the DT once. And those students who are yet to cover for the first time certain topics of the direct taxes for the very first time. Meaning they have not, ऐसा होगा जिसका May 21, maybe this will be their first attempt. Maybe by May 21 may be their first attempt, and they are yet to cover some topics of direct tax law. So it means that it's a fresh direct tax. The topics are still to be covered. So there are two types of students which I'm marking now. One who have already studied DT and one who are yet to study DT. Okay. What has to be done, students? We have to be very categorized on this one. Those anyway, students, those who are yet to study DT, for all of them, अब सब लोग एक चीज कर लेना. All of you guys, students who are there, who are yet to study DT, or some topics are still left. The very thing, students. Okay, can you just do a thumbs up, students? How many of you have got still some topics pending to be done for the first time? Some topics, not entire DT, or maybe entire DT also to be done for the first time. Just do a thumbs up. I will know out of the total count of the students. some topics for the first time. Keep moving, students. Just keep moving. Perfect. So there are overwhelming majority of the students who are there. In fact, Madhu, congratulations. अच्छा यहाँ पर है ना, some students बोलते हैं ना गुस्से में ultimately thumbs up ज्यादा रहे. The total number of count the students who are attending versus the thumbs up has gone beyond the number of students who are attending in the session. The thumbs up has gone beyond 250 and all the stuff. Yeah. So somebody is frustrated with their article chip, or some boss has really harassing during this time. So all the frustration of article chip is coming now through the thumbs up. Keep it up. यही frustration आपके examination में दिखनी चाहिए. 3 hours I'll finish it off my paper anyhow. Okay. So the number of count of the students, I'll just take this particular thing. एक screenshot लेने लायक है. Count of the students versus what? Total thumbs up. This is classic article chip frustration, and this needs to be cherished in this kind of a session that we are having. Number of students versus the total thumbs up which is there. Very good. Keep it up. Anyways, so अब notice करो students, what is the point which I wanted to say to all of you? Just pay attention. Those students जिसका थोड़ा देखो topic बाकी है. Anyone who have got the topic pending, student, the very first thing that you will do, prioritize the completion of your syllables. Prioritize the completion of a syllables. Fine. So any topic which has been there, and please understand, I will just quickly do this because majority काफी ज़्यादा था इसमें. So students, one thing which I'll just tell you, all of you pay attention here. Any topic that you are going to do, not only for DT, any subject, any topic that you are going to do it now. Fine. Any topic that you are going to do it now. Primarily, please ensure on one thing that this topic, ये जो topic अभी आप करोगे, ये topic को आपको revision mode पे ही रखना पड़ेगा आधे घंटे के लिए. Like for example, some students have to do non-resident taxation. I'm just giving an example. कोई students का बाकी है TDS TCS. Some students have to do TDS TCS. I'm just giving an example. So what you will do? Finish it off this particular NR tax. Finish it off this particular TDS. But be careful that आपने अपने पूरे planning में, in all your entire planning, students, entire planning. Mohan, I will address the queries, but towards the end. Towards the end, students, sorry, you will have to ensure that NR taxation में अब there is no second time. और TDS if it is pending, अगर ये pending है आपका, तो second time अब नहीं है. What do you mean by there is no second time? Means now you have to ensure to keep it in a revisionary mode. Revisionary mode में आपको रखना है. Students, please understand, you are blessed still with that 20 extra days. बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. That 20-25 extra days that you all have got, you can make it count. It is really a big thing. So my humble request to all of you is that, fair enough, that bonus that you have got with the extra days, please, for not only for DT, other subject also, just highlight. And एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना, ensure that you keep it that half an hour कर करके ना उसको revision mode पे ही रखना है. You have to ensure that it is always in the revisionary mode. Did you all got this one? No, the video is not blank. Video is going normally. Did you all got this one? Any queries on this one, students? Any topics you have got pending, finish it off that, and ensure that every third day, half an hour, 45 minutes, you are revising those topics. Because now there is no second chance that I am going to again revise everything. Please don't get into that particular trap. Did you all got this one? Fine. I'll tell you the revision part. Aditya, just hold on. मैं revision में आता हूँ. उसके पहले, let's look upon to this one. Thereafter, students, the next particular part. Any study materials that you have got, students, please ensure one thing. No further new study materials that would be referred. I'm again repeating, irrespective of any faculties and all, any study materials that you are going to refer, you will not have any new study materials now. Any new, means study के लिए. I'm talking about to preparation. Fine, revision and all, that is different stuff. But for the preparation part, now no new study materials. Many students say, sir, what about ICI materials and all? I will say, students may not be required for ICI thing. Only thing which I'll recommend is RTP of the upcoming attempt of May 21. May 21. Many students are saying, but sir, what about ICI MCQs and all? Hold on, I'll give every solution of that. Don't worry about this one. But RTP of May 21 attempt only, that is only the ICI material which I will request you to refer it. So no new materials. Whatever is the material that you are referring, kindly stick into that. People are saying, sir, what about old RTPs? डोंट वरी, आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट द सोल्यूशन. मैं उसमें आता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, उसमें आप चिंता मत करो. ओल्ड आरटीपीस के लिए प्रशांति, आई एम कमिंग टू दैट. Are you clear on this one, students? First tell me. No new materials for the next 90 days. Now, whatever is the normal material to study and learn, that you have to freeze it. देखो, I can also, anyone can now prepare. एक बोलता है ना कि there are something which could be told that you have not done this from this book, you have not done that from that book, you are exposed. Please don't go with those things. जितना आपके ने किया बस उतना ही रखना भरोसा. Have faith to your teachers and all who have taken you up till here, and that is what probably now you have to just have to focus on your ability to apply. अब आपको अपने ability को क्या करना है? You have to sharpen your skills. The skill sets are now very important. उस पे आप ज्यादा ध्यान दें. And that is exactly what I will suggest to all of you. So therefore, students, this is what is required. Now coming to the next particular area which you all are here for, ABC. Topic wise, probably Nitin, chart book and all, I'll come to that one. Chart books and all. Many students are saying, sir, what about your chart books and all? So students, I will just say that chart book indeed is fantastic. Ensure that chart book only. In my material, many of you are doing my regular batch or maybe doing some capsule batch. They are referring chart book, that is fine. Those who have not done at all from me, don't do any of my other publication except for one publication that you can definitely consider, and that is the chart book, students. One chart book, students, has been there. Please ensure to have that copy with you. Why there is the reason for this, students, is that it is, you can see for yourself, the chart books which are being there. ये जो chart book होगा, it covers in 151 pages. बड़ा page है, in booklet form. It is in the book form, students. It is in the book form. You will find, what is this? We cannot see anything. Don't worry, it is in a very big form. Pura different taxation has come over in this particular chart. So what happens now is this. देखो chart book का approach क्या है? Why I am focusing? Can you zoom it? Zoom में दिखेगा नहीं स्वीटी. You may not, because इसमें दिखेगा नहीं. I will have to show you my booklet. So this is what it is. In zoom also it will not be that clear. The chart is full in color because it has to be distinguished from one against another. So students, what is the situation of chart book? I'll tell you. Those chart book, I am strongly recommending chart book. There is one reason for that. It is in a booklet form. It is purely in a booklet form. From where you can get the chart book? Chart book you can get it. Family, there is a link of this PDF file which has been there, or else you can do a WhatsApp in this number. I don't now remember the number. Do a WhatsApp in this number for getting the copy, or else I will be sharing this link. Okay, only the WhatsApp here. Okay, do the WhatsApp only. Yes, Sebastian, it is really a good one, or else directly order from here. In this context, there's a link which I have given you. The link I have given you of the chart book here. Now, purpose क्या है chart book का मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. What exactly is the purpose of chart book? I'll just let me know. Students, tell me about the chart book. Yeah. Akash, even that I'll just let you know. Purpose of the chart book is this. While you are doing other subjects, अब देखो होता क्या है, DT is very vast. Yeah, Siddesh is also given one number. DT is very, very vast, students. All of you will agree. Now with the vast syllables, you also have to do other subject. अब आपको दूसरे subjects भी करने हैं. SCMP करना है. IDT is there, elective is there, or maybe ISCA is there. So while you have to do the other subject, students, whatever is the important topics, for every topic, I will recommend you to every day 1 hour DT of your self-study plus 1 hour DT of MCQs and integrated case study. You will have to allocate 2 hours time, students. 2 hours time while you are not doing direct tax. जब आप direct tax नहीं कर रहे हो ना, तो आपको आपने SCMP focus किया होगा. There is other subjects like IDT or elective paper or ISCA. There are other subjects that you are doing. Still on that day, there cannot be a single day from today till your last day that you are not doing DT. DT every day, students, you will have to do at least 2 hours, of which 1 hour should be your self-study and 1 hour has to be the MCQ and integrated case study. Why is it so? I have told you, students, 10 times also you do 270A. 10 times also you do 270A. 10 times also you do 271 double AB. ये 10 बार कर लेना और आपको क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में क्या आएगा? व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन दैट दे विल आस्क यू? Which is the in one situation which are the cases where more than one penalty is levied? In that case, your 10 times reading of 270A, your 10 times reading of 271 AAB will not help. In those cases, this sessions of 1 hour of MCQ or the 1 hour of MTP will open up your mind. That is what is required. So, students, one thing you have to be very clear now. Those days when you are not doing direct tax law, in those days as well, what did I told you, students? What did I told you? You will still be doing this direct tax. How you're going to go about it? 1 hour revision, self-study. This is a self-study. Nothing can beat your self-study. Now, how you will do the self-study? I've told you, go with the charts. Go with the charts. And one hour MCQ. You'll say, sir, but how do we do the MCQ? I'll let you know, students. I'll let you know. But before doing that MCQ part, Deepika, how do we go, sir, with the MCQ or integrated case study? I'll let you know. But before that, let us start topic by topic, all the important area. This PDF file, students, this PDF file, I'm keeping it where? Shubham. This PDF file, yeah, I'm keeping it in my Telegram channel. You can get it, this PDF file in my Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh, and all the other social media, I'll just put it. CA Durgesh Singh. No space, nothing, okay? So you'll get it from there. Let's, students, at least एक बार जल्दी से इसको but topic go through करते हैं कि which are the areas which I want you to always keep a focus upon. Surcharge for all. Income tax rate, focus on the surcharge part. Majorly for the MCQ segment. Income tax rates. Salary, students, first of all, goes without saying, आपके लिए amendment कितना important है ये तो आपको पता है. You all are aware how important your amendments are. So in the salary, students, there are some amendments. Now those who have not attended my amendment lecture, even my amendment class, 16th of February, students, 16th of February, you can find one amendment PDF. In that amendment PDF, index session, please go in that index session. Index वाला जो segment है ना, आप index में जाइए, you go to the index segment and there the link of the lectures, 5 lectures I've given on amendment. Kindly go through that. This is very important. Okay. Amendment in salary and ESOP. ESOP के अंदर amendment आया और salary का very important. We have done a case study also. Where you will find the lecture? 16th or 17th of February. Go to my Telegram channel, CA Durgesh Singh, and there you will find an amendment PDF. Okay. In that, in the index segment, index जगह पे जहाँ पे देखो वहाँ पे link मैंने दे रखा है lectures का. I have already given the link. Go there and you can click the link and you will get all the amendment lectures. Now, house property, students, please be careful. In the house property, deemed owner and house property held as a stock in trade. Students, all we are aware, for the builder who has hold the house property as a stock in trade, there is an amendment already that the GAV up to the period of 2 years, that we all are aware, the GAV would be considered nil. What I think, मुझे क्या लगता है, students, they will not ask you independently anything of house property. But in one of the MTPs, I have merged this builder case study. In one of the MTPs, you'll say, sir, which is that MTP? Just wait for next 10 minutes. I'll unfold the suspense. In one of the MTP, I have merged the builder with some ICDS 3, with some ATIBA. Those things, I'll let you know where I've done it. PGVP students, always keep this chapter under your control. क्योंकि ये चैप्टर बहुत लेंदी चैप्टर है. This chapter is always a lengthy chapter, so always it is advisable to keep this chapter firmly under your control. And I have identified the list of the sections. Majorly, if you can see, मैंने identify किया हुआ ये list of sections that you should be very careful about it. Like important here is that point number 6. If I can make, I've given the list. You will say, sir, 43B are simple. Yes, it is simple, but it is always there in your examination. I also understand that 43B is simple provision, but it is always there. Please don't ignore 44AA, maintenance of the books, because these are the hot cake for your MCQs. Also don't ignore 44AB, wherein there is an amendment of 5 crores. अब tax audit के लिए 5 crore का ये turnover आ गया है. There is an amendment of 5 crores. Up to that, this particular amendment, they have mentioned it. Tea, coffee, rubber development allowance. All the sections have students marked it. ये सारे sections को है ना, you have to in fact ensure that now your second revision, you can directly jump into these sections. you can directly jump into these sections and try to ensure that its revision is done on a frequent basis. इसको आप थोड़ा frequently क्या है रिवाइज करते रहे, क्योंकि ये सेक्शन अगर काबू में है, पीजीबीपी आपका काबू में है, पीजीबीपी आपका काबू में है, ये पूरा सिलेबस में आपको थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट आएगा. The entire focus is on this particular head because of its vastness. It's really a very vast head, which we all are aware, and therefore, students, this is where you have to be very careful about it. मैंने कुछ sections mark करके रखे हैं. If you have got any particular issue, probably you can let me know. I can definitely will let you know in this regard. Yes, Niranjan, it is there in the subscription of the this one, Unacademy. Profit link deduction, students, be careful. इस बार ध्यान रखना, students. These two sections, ATIAC and ATIAB. Now you'll say, sir, I don't know about ATIAB. Don't worry, students. I'm putting a question on MTP. Didn't I told you just now? मैंने अभी आपको थोड़ी देर पहले क्या बताया था कि मैं एक builder पे question बनाऊंगा. Just some time back I told you that I will put a question on builder, stock and trade, and that builder with stock and trade with ATIBA. ATIBA is an affordable housing scheme. In fact, students, the latest budget of 2021. By the way, एक चीज बता दूं आपको. This budget of 2021 is not applicable for you in your May 21 and November 21 attempt. I think all of you are aware of that point. Okay, but I can tell you that in budget of 2021, this ATIBA section also has been extended further, which therefore implies this section is here to stay. ये affordable housing scheme वाला जो section है ना, ये यहाँ पे काफी समय तक रहने वाला है. तो इसको मैंने MTP में ना, I have made a question on that of ATIBA, of your house property, all that clubbed together, and also with ICDS 3. So this is how this question is thought to be made, and this is one thing that you will always keep in mind. I'm Weber. I'm going to put it this in the Telegram channel. Just hold on. अभी तो मैंने किया ना ये lecture होने के बाद. ICDS students, ICDS 3, ICDS 6 and ICDS 7. 3 ICDS. आपका whole ये 3 ICDS पे अच्छा होना चाहिए. Construction. ICDS 6 is in respect of the foreign exchange and ICDS 7 is in respect of subsidy. This 3 ICDS students out of your total 10 ICDS. This 3 ICDS your hold has to be there for your upcoming May 21 attempt. Chances है सब चीज को एनालाइज करके मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ये 3 ICDS पे अपना ग्रिप अच्छा बना के रखें as compared to all the 10. So it is like this 2:1 revision. अगर आपने 2 समय बार इसको रिविजन करने का सोचा है तो आपको क्या करना है, इसको 3 बार कर देना. फिर you have to do one time extra revision for this particular thing because these are the important areas for your upcoming May 21 attempt. AMT is a simple one, but करके रखना ये because of the factor, because I feel now AMT students they are putting it in integrated case study. Integrated case study students, AMT expect in integrated case study. Okay, I don't feel that they will be asking you a separate question. अब वो IPCC में चला गया. Now they are targeting this in IPCC inter CA, and now at final CA level they are twisting this AMT 35AD 10AA in the form of an integrated case study. So obviously with that integrated case study on, you can now consider AMT 35AD 10AA combination of questions where in that particular set. Did you all got this one? Partnership assessment students, be careful please. This point number 2 बहुत critical है. This point number 2 students is very important, and this is about in the book profit calculation students. Yes, Siddesh. In the book profit calculation, there is something on the brought forward business loss and UAD. Are you aware of that? क्या होता है जब बुक प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट हम लोग करते हैं, when we are about to calculate the book profit, at that particular point of time, what we have to do, we have to deduct UAD. हमें UAD को डिडक्ट करना है, लेकिन कितना UAD आप डिडक्ट करोगे? How much UAD you are going to deduct? Only that much portion of the UAD which is left out after reducing notionally the brought forward business loss. After reducing the notionally the brought forward business loss. You'll say, sir, we don't know how to do it. Don't worry, even this is there in our MCQs. जिसकी मैं lectures I'm putting it. Lectures for all of you. Free lectures. These are all free lectures of the MCQ and integrated case study, which I would be putting the twist of what exactly these things are all about. तो ये जो चीजें हैं ना, ये चीज को मैंने इसको इंटीग्रेटेड एमसीक्यूज के अंदर मैंने बना के कुछ रखे हैं आपके लिए, ताकि ये आपका वहां पे माइंड खुलेगा. दैट व्हेन देयर प्रॉब्लम इज दैट आर कॉम्बिनेशन दैट यू ऑल आर अवेयर, जो आपको पता है कॉम्बिनेशन, जानते हो क्या पता है? In this case, yes, Siddesh, in chart also, Snigdha has said it correctly. In chart also, there is a question on the same way. In charts also, students, I have put across questions. चार्ट्स में भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस मैंने दे रखे हैं. So charts is a combination of everything. You will find practical questions, you will find case law, you will find the entire provision. So उसको ये tricky area. These are the trickiest area. So I have made an attempt that I have put across in the some of the MCQs also, जो कि आपको मिलने वाले हैं in this case. Students, by the way, just hold on, students. Tomorrow in my Telegram channel, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we have prepared for you amendment based MCQ. Students, amendment based integrate. One very important announcement: amendment based integrated case studies. Students, hold on. Amendment based integrated case study plus MCQ. And I am telling you, after reading this, you people will get collapsed. Collapse हो जाओगे स्टूडेंट्स आप लोग, जहां पर भी आप लोग हैं. Are you getting this particular point? That is the kind of the question that we have set for the amendment on all the amendment of FA20. We have ensured to make what? We have made the integrated based case studies, which will open up your mind completely. How to think about the provision. This is exactly what I wanted, students. The next 90 days is not doing 5 times 270A. The next 90 days is knowing how to apply 270A. Those who have got chart, जिसने भी चार्ट लिया है, देखो पहले पेज में AIR, what AIR1 has said. This AIR1 Asik Raj, what he has done, he ensured to do all the MTPs, all the MCQs, whatever was being put across. और उसने एक ही चीज का AIR1 ने बोला है कि सर ये जितने भी आपके क्वेश्चन है, मेरा बस माइंड खुलता गया है. I have unfolded my mind. मेरा पूरा माइंड खुला है. उसने ये उसका स्टेटमेंट है ऑन रिकॉर्ड. And that exactly what I want you to ensure, students. देखिए आपको क्या जरूरी है, 10 बार नहीं रीड करना है. You don't have to read it 278 10 times now. You now need to know how to apply 270A in a different combinations of the questions. Did you all got this one? And that is the reason why, students, we are holding on. क्या कर रहे हैं जल्दी से देखो ये. I have given you a link here. Can you see this link? Students, the detail of, first of all, 9 MTPs which is already going on. 9 MTPs for May 21 attempt. लिंक यहां पर दे रखा है स्टूडेंट्स. ये मैंने लिंक यहीं पर दे रखी है, जिसमें से 3 MTP हो चुके हैं. आप बोलोगे सर अब 3 MTP हो गए, अभी हम क्या करें? Don't worry, you can always look into that lecture. And more importantly is this integrated case study MCQ for May 21 attempt, and there are total 9 in all. इसके अंदर क्या है बल्कि सर व्हाट इज दैट इन दिस केस? पहला 2 तो मैंने क्या किया है. फर्स्ट 2 इज ऑल अबाउट अमेंडमेंट. फर्स्ट 2 March 1 and on March 2. Aditya, I'll tell you, on March 1 and on March 2, students, it is only on amendments. पूरा अमेंडमेंट के बेसिस पर है. मैं क्या करूंगा, क्वेश्चन पेपर आप लोग को दे रखूंगा और सोल्यूशन हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. कब डिस्कस करेंगे सोल्यूशन वी विल डिस्कस एवरी नाइट फॉर 1 hour. 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. every night 1 hour. Those students who say that sir, if we cannot attend for any reason, then can we see it later on? I will request you students do it live, क्योंकि लाइव में क्या हो जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है. नहीं तो क्या हो जाता है, पेंडिंग अगर हो रहता है तो फिर उससे पेंडिंग ही रहता है. ठीक है ना? तो मैं आपसे यही कहूंगा कि आप लाइव देखें, लेकिन किसी वजह से इफ एनी फॉर रीजन दैट यू कैन नॉट watch live 9:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. then you can always use it offline. At least start saving those links. जो लिंक है ना वीडियो के, उसको आप सेव कर ले, and then in that case you don't have to save, it is already there in this PDF. It is already there, so you'll always have. But to open the video, students, you have to use this code. वीडियो को ओपन करने के लिए आपको ये कोड इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? तो ये चीज बस आप लोग ध्यान रखना, CADS. एंड स्टूडेंट्स ध्यान रखना that you do follow my profile there in दुर्गेश सिंह. प्रोफाइल दुर्गेश सिंह है, सीए दुर्गेश सिंह नहीं है, प्रोफाइल दुर्गेश सिंह है. सो द प्रोफाइल इज दुर्गेश सिंह, नॉट सीए दुर्गेश सिंह. ओके, सो जस्ट कीप दैट इन माइंड. नाउ सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम पुटिंग द PDF on Saturday for all the amendments, whatever is integrated case studies and the MCQ, that will be put across in my Telegram channel. PDF मिल गया क्वेश्चन का, where you are going to find the answer. The timetable is given to you students here. Every lecture timetable, students, has been given you. First lecture होगा 1st March को 9:30 p.m. हाजिर हो जाओ. You be there in 9:30 p.m. primarily, and accordingly we'll start discussing. But only one request is that, if possible, kindly go through the questions. आप लोग क्वेश्चन go through करें. Many students said we have not revised. Don't worry, students. Many here are not have revised. but I am doing in that way that first I'm quickly briefing up the provision. मैं पहले जल्दी से क्या है relevant provision brief कर लेता हूँ, and then we start with this particular sessions. Okay. Revision lectures. Shikha is asking, what about the chart-based revision lectures? So chart-based revision lectures, you will find it in the YouTube channels. और ये आपको मिलना चालू होगा Sunday से. So those in the YouTube channel itself will be there. So you will find it from Sunday. Okay. Don't worry. In the Telegram, the link would be given. I will keep on sharing in my Telegram channel. So always in the Telegram channel, students, you'll be there because in my Telegram channel, you get all the details. All the links would be there. So from Sunday, because I was waiting for many students who have ordered the chart. अब मुझे लगता है कि सबके पास चार्ट आ चुके हैं. So I will be doing it. Chart-based revision. Many students are asking for how many hours it will be. Around 35 hours. 35 hours. Okay. So that is the quickly we are running through the chart. All the important tough topics मैं सारे चार्ट्स का जल्दी से आपको रिवाइज करवा दूंगा. ठीक है, ताकि आपका टाइम ज्यादा व्यर्थ ना जाए. Not all the video. I'm starting on Saturday. So from Sunday you will start getting it, Asher. Students, now the chart-based revision, one would be in English and one would be in Hindi. That is how I have been doing it past also. एक हिंदी का होगा और एक इंग्लिश का होगा. ठीक है. Students, please come here and now. Dikshu, that chart-based revision is on the YouTube now. Yeah, Siddhesh, I forgot. I'll just put it. Yes, Oshan, it is more than sufficient. Let's start. Students, chapter 6 है. Chapter 6 है. In chapter 6 है, कुछ आपने profit link deduction, some profit link deduction of 80 IAC, 10 AA and 80 IBA, you have done it over there. And please don't ignore these sections, students. These sections are the real troublesome sections for many. And ICI, you are using the trick that these people are doing. Shubham, unfortunately, it is not there because it is with Bharat laws. Because they have made this entire thing, designing, they have done it. So that is with them. Students, यहाँ पे notice करना. 80C, 80CCD, 80G, 80EE, 80EA, 80ED. This section, students, why it is so important? Because these people are asking an integrated MCQ. There are two advantages of these sections. Students, इसे हमें करना क्यों है? क्यों करना है? और ये मैं आपको बताऊंगा. In the some of the MCQ session, you will come to know that these sections are being used for the purpose of one, how do we apply these sections in the integrated MCQ basis? ये पहली बात है. Second point. So second point is this. In the non-resident, मालूम है unilateral relief, there is a bilateral relief, unilateral relief is there, isn't it? उसके अंदर tax liability की calculation में there is 80C, 80CCD, all this are heavily being asked. And one more important thing, students. Now there is an alternate tax regime. Are you aware of that? In alternate tax regime, individuals, students, ये ध्यान रखना आपको, whether they will be who are opting for alternate tax regime, जो alternate tax regime में जा रहे हैं, whether for them students, whether chapter 6 से deduction, will it be available for them or not? ये चीज है ना बहुत important है वहां पे. Whether chapter 6 से deductions, will that be available for them or not? If yes, then what is the issue? If no, then what will be the issue? That are the things, students. Because therefore I'm telling you, students, just do these. IPCC related, at least this you need to have a grip of it. IFOS, don't forget, students, rule 11 UA, valuation rules. यहाँ पर आपको valuation rule करना ही पड़ेगा. This valuation rule is very important. Gift tax and all these are fine. But this valuation rule 11 UA for the determination of the FMB is very important. So just ensure to have a grip. Set off topic, I have listed 4 sections, 72A, 73 for speculative loss, 78 and 79. 4 section for set off, have them under your firm control. Clubbing also, students, 3 situations I have identified. मैंने 3 situation clubbing के लिए आपके लिए identify किया हुआ है. 3 situation क्या है? 27 red with 64. Deemed owner, red with what? 64, 14 and 6. Thereafter, 64, 12, income arising to the spouse from a concern in which such individual has a substantial interest. पता है ना वो चीज जहां पे वो individual का अपना substantial interest है उस concern में. और उस कंसर्न से हमारे स्पाउस को इनकम आ रहा है, who does not have a requisite professional qualification, तो ऐसे केस में whether the clubbing provision will that be applicable or not, those are the things, students. Those are the things. Pritesh, yes, relatively there are good changes. Those are the things. And last, students, point number 3, clubbing of income of the minor child. Clubbing of the income of the minor child. This 3 areas, students, you will have to do it in clubbing. Don't ignore clubbing. They target. वो पूछते हैं examination में clubbing of income. So I've highlighted these 3 areas wherein you have to be careful. Assessment procedure, students. जितेंद्र बताता हूं मैं एंड में. assessment procedure, students. Assessment procedure. पहले तो in point number 1, time limit, students. Time limits, please do it for these sections. Time limit to complete the assessment. तो 153(1) में, 153(2) में, 153 assessment in consequence search, इनकी time limits. And thereafter, rectification, revision, review, recall, recovery. 154, revision 263, review. We all are aware, review. High Court can review its own order, but ITAT cannot review its own order. उस पे कुछ अच्छे खासे क्वेश्चन बने हुए हैं. Are you aware of that? So those are the things. Whether the ITAT or the CIT appeal, can they review their own order? So that distinction between review and rectification पे जो क्वेश्चन है ना, उसको स्टूडेंट्स अच्छे से देखकर जाना. और उस पे स्टूडेंट्स एक केस लॉ भी है. कोई तो विच इज दैट केस लॉ रिव्यू पे, कोई तो गुप्ता है सरनेम. आई थिंक सम गुप्ता सरनेम इज देयर. विच इज दैट केस लॉ? बताओ जल्दी से राम. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द केस लॉ? अभी भी आया है वापस से. आई थिंक आईसी हैज पुट अक्रॉस. विच केस लॉ? नाउ सी देयर इज सच अ साइलेंस. So S. Sundar Gupta, something of that sort. What is the name? Recently ICI has given that particular case law. कुछ तो नाम है ना उनका. एस गुप्ता है, वो तो है विच गुप्ता, बट एस गुप्ता तो ऐसा नाम लिखा नहीं है उन्होंने. कुछ तो है. सुब्रतो रॉय इज फॉर रिकॉल ऑफ ऑर्डर. प्रणय, सुब्रतो रॉय इज फॉर रिकॉल ऑफ ऑर्डर. सुनील वासुदेवा, बराबर. शिखा हैज पॉइंटेड आउट करेक्टली. सुनील वासुदेवा वर्सेस सुंदर गुप्ता. बिल्कुल सही. सुनील वासुदेवा वर्सेस सुंदर गुप्ता. आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दैट केस लॉ? कुछ नहीं है, नया कुछ नहीं है, बस आईसीआई ने बीच में डाल दिया कि अंडर व्हाट सर. सो इन दिस लिंक यू विल फाइंड 2 hours all your 67 case law is through. 67 case law in that 2 hours time is through. So don't worry, I've put across the link over here. तो स्टूडेंट्स, रिव्यू इज इंपॉर्टेंट. रिव्यू इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज Jan 21 में कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा था रिव्यू पे. रिव्यू पे कुछ नहीं था, रिविजन पे भी नहीं था, रिकॉल पे भी नहीं था. So revision, review, recall, rectification are the most favorite for your upcoming attempt. Please do them very carefully. Please do them very carefully. Okay, so therefore that is one thing. Thereafter, students, here in DOPM, you'll say, sir, what is DOPM? Doctrine of partial merger and doctrine of complete merger. Fine, doctrine of partial merger and doctrine of complete merger. Yes, settlement commission, complete merger, doctrine of partial merger, और इसको लिखो doctrine of complete merger. DOCM. Fine. Settlement Commission also, students, you can write here in as an important one. एक बार Settlement Commission भी करके जाना क्योंकि आया नहीं था वो. Settlement Commission, specifically the 2 case law. In that Settlement Commission there are 2 case law, but don't worry. ये जो 2 case law है Settlement Commission में, ये मैंने case law के अंदर cover कर दिया है. In Settlement Commission, what is important are those 2 case law, students. Yes, Shubham. Final DT by CA Durgesh Singh. यही मेरा Telegram channel है. So this is my Telegram channel. So students, settlement commission पे 2 case laws है. These 2 case laws I have already covered comprehensively in that YouTube का link, जिसका आपको PDF ही मिल जाएगा. Yes, no, why not? Now, students, after this, special rate of tax, K. Lakshman Sain को, yeah. Penalty, students, penalty, all that big section, 271D, 271E, 271DA, 271DB, ये तो सब है. 270A, 271AA, 271AC, all the big sections are there. 270A6, cases which does not result in underreporting. यहीं पे students मार खाते हैं. They are not aware about this particular part. तो यहाँ पे गड़बड़ हो जाती है students पूरा. 270A subsection 6, students, this is one thing. You should be very careful under what circumstances it is not a underreporting. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर इन एस्टिमेट बेसिस पे एडिशन अगर किया जाता है तो उसको अंडर रिपोर्टिंग नहीं मानी जाती है. इफ द एडिशन इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द एस्टिमेट देन इट इज नॉट एन अंडर रिपोर्टिंग. Then if the penalty is imposed under 271 AAB, then again it will not be an under reporting under 270, so on and so forth. So ये कर लेना स्टूडेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जगदीश has given this link. लिंक आप लोग देख रहे हो? So this is the link students which has been there. Isn't it? तो ये है यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट. He has given. We can't say. Siddesh, you can send the link. अच्छा. Unfortunately. Okay, I'll just put it here. See, I've put across. Now देखो लिंक मैंने डाल दिया है. Can you see this link? Now you can find the link. देखो मैंने लिंक ऊपर डाला है. Okay. So this is the link which you can click it, and those who have not yet joined. मैं लेकिन this PDF I'll do it tomorrow morning. This PDF friends tomorrow morning. This PDF you'll say sir what time you will put it? 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock I'll put students. Why? You'll say why 11 o'clock? Because I will do some modification. थोड़ा modification कर लूँगा. ठीक है? Now apart from that students, what else that is there? Students, special tax rate of companies. Special tax rate of the companies. MAT always it is going without saying because MAT somehow end में ना students it creates a lot of issues. Yes, Satya, I will be taking it. MAT at the end it creates a lot of issues. So please MAT को इंडेक्स एडजस्टमेंट इज फाइन. सबको पता है इंडेक्स एडजस्टमेंट. सब लोगों ने इतना उसका वो कर रखा है इंडेक्स एडजस्टमेंट है ना. एवरीवन इज ओके. बट आई विल सजेस्ट यू MAT एज अ ओवरऑल यू जस्ट हैव अ होल्ड ऑफ इट. ठीक है, उसमें आप ये मत करना क्योंकि लास्ट अटेम्प्ट दैट इज Jan 21 अटेम्प्ट नॉट इवन अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन वाज देयर इन दीस टू. So my suggestion to all of you would be to just have a good hold so far as MAT is concerned. Overall, आप इस पे ध्यान रखना. Alternate tax regime. This again is a very important topic. This two fronts. एक तो company assessment, this one, and alternate tax regime. इस पे जरा भी लापरवाही मत करना. And it will this entire thing. My suggestion will be like this fronts. In fact, my revisionary videos also मैं जो YouTube में भी एक डालने वाला हूँ मैं चालू ही इससे कर रहा हूँ. Alternate tax regime से. जो चार्ट बेस्ड रिवीजन होगा ना विच आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद इट. आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद दिस ओनली स्टूडेंट ऑर्डिनरी टैक्स रिजीम. मैं उसी से शुरू कर रहा हूं. आर यू गेटिंग दिस वन? तो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद दिस ओनली बिकॉज आई फील दिस इज टू बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर May 21 अटेम्प्ट. दैट इज फॉर 35 आवर्स इन योर यूट्यूब विच आई डू एवरी टाइम 35 आवर्स. ठीक है. टैक्सेशन ऑफ डिविडेंड स्टूडेंट्स बहुत अच्छे से वेरी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली आई हैव कवर्ड टैक्सेशन ऑफ डिविडेंड इन माय अमेंडमेंट क्लास. Again, I am repeating, in my amendment class, I have covered it very comprehensively. Yes, Biswas, वो हिंदी में भी ली जाएगी अलग से और इंग्लिश में भी. उसको हिंदी और इंग्लिश को डिवाइड किया जाएगा. In the taxation of dividend, now you will find, sir, where you will find the amendment lecture. What did I told you, students? I have told you earlier also in that amendment PDF of 6 in my Telegram channel. आप लोग ने ज्वाइन किया ना? You have already joined my Telegram channel. Now 16th of February you will find a PDF, amendment PDF. 15th or 16th of February, one of the two dates. There, once you click the amendment file, colorful PDF will come. Go 15th. Siddesh is saying 15th of February. So 15th February को जाओ आप वहाँ पे and then color PDF will come and in that colorful PDF you will go to index section, page number 4 या page number 5 होगा. Either page 4 or page 5. Index. In that index I have given the link of all the videos. And that is what you should be looking at. In that you will find this taxation of dividend also. Did you all got this one? Surrogate taxes, most important. AIF, securitization trust, REIT. Students, nothing was targeted. AIF, securitization trust, REIT, nothing was targeted. The best part, students, I should tell you. The best part, students, please be careful. Just remember one thing, friends. REIT जो है ना and AIF. There was very important amendment of AIF. बहुत एक important AIF का amendment था, and that amendment was FA19. Are you aware of it? In FA19 there was an amendment wherein the loss can be passed through to the unit holder. I don't know whether you are aware of that amendment. FA19 loss could be passed through, isn't it? That particular question, students, was not been asked in the examination. वो question examination में आया ही नहीं अभी तक, neither in November nor in January, and therefore that FA19 amendment are very important, and I will make an endeavor कि जो अमेंडमेंट पूछे नहीं गए हैं FA19 के, वो मैं अपने MTP में और MCQ या इंटीग्रेटेड केस स्टडीज में जरूर डाल दूं, ताकि आपको उसका एक्सपोजर मिल जाए. I will make an endeavor that those amendments of FA19 which was not targeted neither in November and Jan, I will cover it up in my MCQs and my MTPs. You'll say why? Not is old. You don't know the game. Institute बोलते कि पुराना खिलाड़ी इसमें. They know this thing. ये पूरा CA students है ना, ये पागल हो जाते हैं. Amendment. And which amendment they see? They see the amendment of FA20. And ICI knows May 21 they are going to do this mistake. They will focus more on May 20 amendment, FA20 amendment, and people will forget what has happened in FA 2019. So there are areas, gray areas, which was not being targeted, which I will put it, students, in the MCQ and MTPs. वो मेरे आपको MCQ और MTP में अच्छा खासा मिल जाएगा क्वेश्चन एंड केस स्टडी के साथ. So don't worry about that. Did you all got this one? So now you'll say whether these MTPs would be available for us. Yes, it is free, students. Don't worry. TDS I have marked it. Students, जो रिवीजन होगा ना YouTube में, मैं चालू ही कर रहा हूँ किससे? Alternate tax regime से, and I'm starting with TDS and alternate tax regime, because these are the two topics which creates headache to the students. Specifically, TDS creates a headache, so that headache should be gone immediately. Rather than prolonging the headache in the month of April, you should ensure that the headache is cured ASAP. And therefore, I will try to pull up the TDS as early as possible along with alternate tax regime. Fine. This part, student, देखो मैंने guess किया था, अब आ ही गया. Last time it came as theory. Satyam is asking what is chart-based revision. See, chart-based revision is a chart revision. Abhyas batch is like we have got compiler. We have a compiler, and we practice the questions from that thing. Abhyas means practice batch. It's a practice batch. The name itself is practice batch. Anyway, students, herein legal representative. Are you aware of legal representative, students? Are you aware of it or not? No, Krishna, only chart you will buy. Only chart, not compiler. So, students, are you aware of this one? Legal representative, students, be careful. Because of this COVID situation, many people died, unfortunately. And this section suddenly became alive. Why? Because the deceased assessee's estate. Are you aware of that? Deceased assessee's estate family will go to whom? To the legal heirs. And therefore, whether the legal heir, will they be liable for the liability of the deceased person? And the answer is yes. And therefore, students, be careful. For that, one beautiful lecture is waiting for all of you. All of you will see this lecture. Free lecture is there. CADS code maybe you have to apply. This code you have to apply. Okay? And click in this link and you'll unfold the lecture. Lecture will get opened up. CADS, apply this code. CADS, apply this code. This lecture is open. You will have to do it. There is no other alternative for you. You will have to do it. आपके पास इसका ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. Are you getting this one? Otherwise, you will be blank. Then there is representative SSC. Students, representative SSC. You will say, sir, what is representative SSC? Agent of the non-resident. Agent of the non-resident. He is considered as a representative SSC. So what will be the liability in respect of him? So that is also one of the most critical particular area of your syllabus. These are the areas wherein students are completely blank. And ये बोलते हैं these are time bombs. Time bombs समझते हो? एक बस there is only one attempt that should come. Entire center, entire city, entire India will get destroyed. Are you getting aware of this one? So representative SSC taxation, legal representative taxation. If one case study or a trust taxation, how that private trust, discretionary trust question comes and suddenly there's a butterfly in your stomach. Discretionary trust, private Therefore, you have to be very want to do at all, and neither there is any source to do this. So I have created this link for all of you. Please ensure to take the advantage. TCS. In any case, students, TCS तो completely I've done it very comprehensively with this amendment lecture. TCS is full amendment, students. Full amendment. So you should know about this one. Non-resident also, students, I've made a indirect transfer. I've given the list for all of you. DTW 65A. And just link that 165A with 194O. This also I've covered in the amendment comprehensively. Yes, Siddhesh. Amendment, it is must because I have done a lot of interlinking and all. And thereafter, students, please ensure to do the methods of transfer pricing thoroughly. Last attempt methods was not been targeted. पूछा ही नहीं था शायद और बहुत simple questions थे. And therefore, the better thing would be in my MTP students, in my MTPs, I think MTP number 4, which is going to come by 10th of March. Students, I will be putting very good questions on transfer pricing. MCQ also again would be given in a very good manner. Okay, it was there. 8 marks in old May. In old course, it was there, students. But it was a simple question. What students are saying, it was a simple question. We all know, students, transfer pricing past paper if all, if we see the kind of question that these people are asking, first of all, the beauty is all the new questions. At least what you can do, keep your eyes and mind open now on these rules. Conceptually be very clear. And please, therefore, I'm telling you, attend those MCQs and MTP session. जो मैं MCQ MTP session कर रहा हूँ उसमें आपके concepts तो clear होते जाएंगे. By doing all the kind of brainstorming about various questions, आपका mind खुलता जाएगा. And that is so important on this. GAR, General Anti-Avoidance Rule, students. Again, a very troublesome topic. Students, this lecture is in Hindi completely. Okay, in Hindi it is there. You'll say, sir, what about English? In English also there is one particular video which is there in the YouTube. If you allow me, tomorrow I will just put it in my Telegram channel. But this is a completely a Hindi lecture. All the students are requested to go through this lecture without fail. Without fail. On the General Anti-Avoidance Rule. जिसने नहीं किया होगा अभी तक ये टॉपिक वो पहले ये कर ले और फिर बाद में अपना रिवाइज करे. That is what I'll suggest to you. This is the topic. New course. Many students are bothered with the theory part of the new course. Those students who are appearing for the new course, for them, Mohan, just a second. For them also, this is the problem. And therefore, for them also, students, this is link. Your theory of the new course is through. Theory of the new course is through. And as I have told you, can you see, students, Siddesh ka diya hua, GAR part 1, this is English, which Siddesh is giving you the link. Can you see the link which Siddesh is giving? हाँ तो वो एक बात देख लेना स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज द लिंक फॉर दिस फॉर इंग्लिश. हिंदी के लिए आप लोग यहाँ पर हो. But those who want the English, Siddesh has just given that two lectures link. That is in the English link. Okay, so that is how it is. Hindi I have given it to here, and that Siddesh has just given the link for the English, 2 parts. And MTP students, I have already told you. I have already told you about the MTPs. Fine, students. Now I am opening up for any of your queries which has been there, students. So what has been there? These are the free sessions of the MTPs and MCQ. I have told you that Saturday I am going to put some of the integrated case studies and the MCQs. These are starting from 1st of March. We are starting with our case study session, 9:30 to 10:30. I have already told you, students, you give me your till 15th of March, students, you give me your date. Just 15th of March I want. और आप मुझे सिर्फ 1 घंटा दे दो रात का समय. आपकी डायरेक्ट टैक्स की जो 50% जो चिंता है दूर हो जाएगी. 50% of your worry of direct tax will get out, because I will do that level of brainstorming उतने permutation combinations हो जाएंगे आपके that you will at least feel ease, at least that you can now handle lot of things on your own. You will say, sir, can't you do in April? I'm telling you, friends, April you cannot do these things. आप pressure में रहोगे उस समय पे. ये these things can be done only in the month of March, and that too in the first half. I am just wanted to take till 15th of March because in the month of April there will be a pressure cooker situation. Are you getting this one? वहां पे कुछ और टेक्निक आपको अपनानी पड़ेगी. वहां पे सब्जेक्ट को क्लोज करना होगा. वी हैव टू क्लोज द सब्जेक्ट. वी डोंट हैव टू प्रैक्टिस. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. प्रैक्टिस अभी करनी है, क्लोज अप्रैल में करना है. एंड therefore I want your time 1 hour every night 9:30 p.m. from 1st of March to 15th of March. Are you up for this one? And live would be better because if you have got certain queries, I can resolve there and there itself. And if at all, as I told you, you cannot see the lecture for any reason, then you all know, students. Then you all know what to be done. You will directly go to this Unacademy, download this case, follow. My profile is Durgesh Singh, not CA Durgesh Singh in Unacademy. This is my profile. Follow this profile, and CADS is the code that you're going to type. Now for the new course students, I'll speak about it for quickly for 10 minutes. But before that, कोई और पूछना होगा. Old course students, please ask me anything that you want to ask. Then paper 7. Then we will exit. Any idea about ICMCQ? ICMCQ, don't worry. Kanaga is asking ICMCQ. So what about to do that? If we are attending your MCQ lecture, then whether we have what to do about the ICMCQ, students. What I am doing for this MCQ session is taking all the. देखो दो चीजें ध्यान से देखना है students. In the MTP and in this MCQ, I have selected all the ICA MCQs. In fact, 80% of the tough ICA MCQs has been selected. So you don't have to do anything on the ICA MCQ because this covers your ICA MCQ only. And the new MCQ, which is amendment based, जो amendment पे आधारित MCQ है, वो हमने बना के ultimately आपको दिया है. So you don't worry that you have to do then extra thing. So you don't have to do extra thing. Mohan, your query is there. Yeah, daily 1 hour, 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. You follow in my Telegram channel. I will keep on addressing that link. I'll keep on sharing the link. Mohan, mock test series ebook prepared for November 20 and Jan 21. Will it be? Yes, Mohan, that is also there. You can always keep it, but obviously the AVA is different. AVA is different. Plus this 9 MTPs, which I'm preparing here in for you. I have completed PGP. I go for a question compiler and then go for MTP. MTP has Ocean. Other than that, what you can do first, you have completed this. So do the MTP then, and after MTP, you can do the compiler. 6C, I'm coming. Ashish, just hold on. Compiler questions along with this list is sufficient. Yes, Dinakaran. Yes, Dinakaran is sufficient. Revision lectures 35 hours. Hindi would be, see, March, everything is over, students. That's it. March, everything is over. March, you are done with it. That chart revision, if Vatsal, you are asking for chart revision, March, you are done. March end, you people are through. Abhyas batch is getting over. Live, Mehul, it is getting over on 13th of March. The live batch which is going on right now. Past RTPs and MTPs, sweetie not required. You any case are doing compiler and all those things. You are in the Abhyas batch, so you don't worry about that. Sir, about practical question, subjective part of the paper. Chandru, which practical questions? Subjective part means exactly what you are looking at. Will be only the MTPs, 9 MTPs, more only the 7 MTPs. First time, Niranjan, ideally it is difficult because we assume in the Abhyas batch that 75 hours that you already have some knowledge about that. On the contrary, there is a Yodha batch, regular batch, which you can take up. Yodha batch. No, Dikshu, they are the same. Jane, not required. If you have got updated charts, they're not required. Relevant is this one. Mohan, relevant is this 9 MTPs here. Ashish, whatever you have done, if you have done regular, do only regular. Compiler will not be required for you. No, sweetie, just that flow of our MTPs and sessions and the MCQ session, go with that flow. So your strategy should be go with that particular flow daily. How to do join? Vaibhav, at the start of the lecture, I've given you that particular this thing, a contact number. Okay, contact number. So at the start of the lecture, you'll find the contact number. There itself, you can do the WhatsApp, and they will share you the link. Those who want to join Abhyas batch, I will give a contact number. Do a WhatsApp tomorrow for this Abhyas batch. If those who are wanting to join for Abhyas batch, I'll just share the contact number here. Do a WhatsApp tomorrow for the Abhyas batch. WhatsApp, please, only a WhatsApp. This is this thing for Abhyas batch. Only WhatsApp. Okay. Abhyas batch number of hours 75. Yes, Vethi, it is sufficient. It is sufficient. Yes, Vatsal, you can leave now. If Ranu, Raje, I will definitely will put it. But Ranu, Raje, please ensure to have the charts with you. Charts will be fine. If you can have the charts, will be really be great. Okay, charts will be required because I will be basing myself on the chart. Charts where you will get tomorrow. In case I'm giving this PDF ABC, I'm going to give it at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. There itself you'll get it. Okay. Now those who are there. Yes, Mohan, for AY 21-22. Those who are there for 6C students. Now let me brief for 6C students. 6C students, see, your strategy has to be transfer pricing plus the model convention. Bye-bye, Sebastian. Niranjan, whether books and charts will be... No, that Niranjan has to be purchased. That has to be purchased, books and charts. A compiler and charts, link would be shared with you. Niranjan, when you give the WhatsApp, the link would be shared with you. Don't worry. Okay? Transfer pricing plus model convention, students. Transfer pricing plus model convention. Now, those who are there tomorrow in this PDF of the ABC, I'll just put it in my plus model convention. Transfer pricing plus model convention. Do it very thoroughly. Plus black money. Model, when I say model convention, it has got both the comparatives. Are you aware of it? OECD and UN. That chapter, which is very comprehensive. Plus it in the month of March 15th or March 20th. Okay. Then students, if possible, by end of March, there are many MTPs and RTPs. Lot of model test paper and the past year paper is there. Are you aware of that? Start doing the past year paper and the model test question. I think there are some 10 to 12, 15 tests are there. My suggestion is that students, you should give yourself a target of 10th of April. 10th of April. Maximum by 10th of April. This three topics: transfer pricing, model convention, black money, plus all the MTP. Outer target is 10th of April. I'm talking about 10th of all the case studies should be done minimum once. Thereafter, you need to repeat that case study one more time. Somewhere April end to May 1st week, because elective paper revision is based on the case studies only. Okay, thereafter chapter going through, you can easily keep on going through in between. जब ये होता है कुछ नहीं करना होता है तो elective कर लिया उस type से. So that way you can do the elective, but be careful herein. Herein in this case is that comparative students is a game, and you have to be doing it very carefully. Are you getting this particular point? तो आपका target होगा transfer pricing, model convention, black money, and thereafter hit all the past test papers and the case studies which are being there. Give yourself an outer time limit of 10th of April and repeat it one more time by 10th of May. और उसके बाद फिर आपको बाद में केस स्टडीज नहीं करने. हाँ, केस स्टडीज के आपको जो फर्स्ट टाइम जब आपने कर लिया होगा ना, फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू वुड हैव डन अप टिल 10th of April, प्लीज एंश्योर आपका मार्किंग्स आपके अपने नोट्स बन जाने चाहिए उस पे, because you yourself know it is so lengthy case study that again second time when you will read it somewhere in the month of April end, तो आप अटक नहीं सकते उतना बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ में. the best is to simplify what exactly is the crux of that paragraph so that your second revision becomes easy. And on the day of the examination, your written notes on that paragraph plus that book which you are going to read, only that is what you are supposed to refer. Did you got this, students? This exactly is the strategy. This exactly is your strategy. Transfer pricing, model convention, black money, and directly jump into all the MTPs. You should say, what about the other topics? देखो other topics में बचा क्या? GAR वो सब common topics है. हाँ आपको ये आएगा अपना theory topics है. In between, keep on reading. Keep reading. What to do? Only for this MCQs and all part, isn't it? And that's exactly what you're going to do. Did you all got this, students? Now, any queries which you have? Siddesh, yeah, if you have got demo link, please put it. Which book to carry? Paper number 7 book and your paper number 6C module. Paper number 7 book, whatever you are referring, mark. Okay, and paper number 6C module. This is the 2 particular set of material that you should be carrying. Yes, Kishore, that is the track treaty, you know. Did you all got this, students? Fine. So, students, now all be set for tomorrow. कल मैं पूरा डाल दूंगा. Tomorrow I'll just put this entire PDF. Okay. Non-resident accident DTW paper 7 are enough. No, not enough. If you see the question paper of this one, it's on a higher level. I am preparing my book also for that, Kishore, don't worry. But that would be not for your attempt. It is for a higher attempt. There is no book at all. Now there is no book which can be referred. So the best way to do it is by heart. Elective people are by making the students by heart the elective. अरे क्या by heart करना है इसमें? You don't have to by heart here because it's an open book paper. By hearting is required in paper 7, isn't it? Because then you have to remember time limits and all those stuff. Then you go mad. Here you don't have to. It's an open. It's all about application. आपका mind ही नहीं खुल रहा है. आपका mind कभी खुला ही नहीं उस तरफ से. तो किताब solution आपके सामने भी होगा ना. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपके सामने solution बैठा हुआ है. That exactly is the problem. That mind. Yes, Deepika, you can definitely see through that. What will be there at 9:30? 9:30, no, I've said Aditya 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock morning, you will find the PDF file in my Telegram channel. Okay? And day after tomorrow, the question set will be there for your 1st March and 2nd March amendment integrated MCQs and the case studies. From where to solve the question? Deepika, from wherever you have solved the question up till now, you can do that. Okay? Plus our MCQ and MTPs. Which the link of which I've already have shared with you. Tomorrow I'm going to give it at 11 o'clock in my Telegram channel. Okay, Derakan. Whether your international taxation on Hindi is available, Hindi lecture of international taxation will be available but for November 21 attempt. And I'm starting this batch by March. International taxation, I'm starting. Hindi elective international taxation, I'm starting by March end for those who are appearing in November attempt. So you can tell to them. So that is what it is. May 21, no, not right now. November 21, yes, live batch, which you can see in the recorded form also, that would be there. Not mandatory, but MTPs, Vigneshwar, and MTPs and MCQ sessions. Okay, Vigneshwar. And whatever you referred,